About 200 Ukrainian troops started instruction at training ranges in Grafenwoehr and Hohenfels on Friday, while another 200 are trained in tank refueling and maintenance. The Ukrainians will train on 31 Abrams tanks that arrived in Germany earlier this month. Training in Germany is expected to last about 10 weeks and will focus on how to operate the tanks, how to maneuver the tanks in a combined arms fight and tank maintenance, the official said. U.S. officials have said that a different set of 31 M1A1 Abrams tanks are being refurbished in the United States and will be delivered to Ukraine by the fall. U.S. decided to speed up delivery of M1 Abrams tanks to Ukraine. Instead of paying General Dynamics Land Systems to build 31 new M1A2, the U.S. Defense Department will send an equal number of second-hand M1A1. The M1A1 Abrams main battle tank was developed by General Dynamics. It is fitted with M256 120mm smoothbore gun, originally developed by Rheinmetall and produced in USA under license. This gun is loaded manually. Ammunition load is 40 rounds. The M1A1 Abrams has a range of effective fire in excess of 4 kilometers. It is also equipped with coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, another roof-mounted 7.62mm machine gun operated by gunner and 12.7mm machine gun operated by commander. The tank is powered by Avco Lycoming, Honeywell, AGT 1500 gas turbine engine, developing 1,500 horsepowers. It is a modified helicopter engine, adapted for use on tanks. When these tanks arrive in Ukraine, a lot of various Russian anti-tank weapons will be waiting for them. The T-90M Proryev 3 tanks have modern guns that are capable of penetrating the frontal protection of NATO tanks with armor-piercing projectiles. Abrams will be without the cover from Air Force and air defense systems. The 31 American tanks Abrams may appear in Ukraine in 3 to 5 months. During the conflict, over 2,000 tanks, including those in service with Ukraine and those supplied to Kiev by the countries of Eastern Europe, were destroyed. A few dozen tanks is unlikely to change this trend. The announced number of tanks is absolutely not enough to carry out any kind of serious operation. We will soon see how really effective the Abrams is.